Hello everyone, make a section from the front of the hair and then begin to braid this front section after tying a ponytail at the back. As you continue to braid this section, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Include sections only from the side that is facing the face. Leave the rest of the hair and then at the back, take another section from the middle, roll it in on itself. Add multiple rubber bands, join it in the shape of a heart. Divide the hair into 4 portions, tie 4 ponytails as such. Roll the top ponytails in on themselves. Add a thread through one of the sides and then begin to braid the hair using 2 of the sections of the thread as the sections of the braid. Now join it in the shape of a heart at the bottom, braid the bottom hair and then roll it up. Tie a bow with thread. Take a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Now take 2 small sections from either side. Join it at the back. Make them intertwine in the middle, making another type of braid. Continue to do this until all of the sections are over. Leave the rest of the hair. Tie a ponytail at the back using this rubber band. Take a section of this ponytail and then braid it. Now take the bigger section of the ponytail, make a bigger braid out of it. Loosen it using your fingers, let the other braid down as well and join it together. Start off by tying a ponytail, then add a bow with a ribbon to it. Using the ribbons as a section, make a braid out of it. Make it come in on either side as such. Loosen it using your fingers. Thank you for watching.